Hello, Empowered Champions. Welcome to another video. So, if this is the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Vivette and I'm a freelancer. And on this channel, we talk about make money online, passive income ideas, freelancing tools and tips, and general ways in which we can achieve financial freedom. So, in this video, I'm gonna do an update to a video that I did before, which was selling Jamaican products online. So I am now being made aware that some persons were trying to set up a shop on Etsy, which was a platform that I had alluded to in the video. However, I realized that now Etsy, there are some changes that were made as it relates to getting paid on Etsy. And there is a Etsy payment that persons would have to set up, and it is only applicable to certain countries. So I was not aware of that, and I do sincerely apologize for persons who were trying to open a shop on Etsy and was not successful. So this is the reason why I'm doing a video to show you the reason why this has happened. All right, so first of all, I have a Etsy shop. I have a shop on Etsy, and I was not I didn't get any message or anything relating to any changes as it relates to payments and anything like that. I did not receive anything from Etsy, and so I was not aware that that change had made. And you know that sometimes organizations can make changes, and you are not made aware of the up-to-date changes. So in this case, this is what happened. So I really apologize for those persons who were trying to open an account, a shop there, and were not successful. All right, so let me just get to the meat of the matter. All right, so on Etsy here, this is where the information is as it relates to how to get paid on Etsy. All right, so basically it is saying that for you to get paid, you have to have Etsy payments, which mean that all payments, everything goes through this platform, right? And only certain countries are able to set up this payment, Etsy payment, right? And this started on April 26, 2021, right? So it says Etsy payments is the main way to get paid on Etsy. With Etsy payments, buyers can use most payment methods to purchase from your shop. You get direct deposit to your bank account. Some shops use PayPal to get paid. Starting April 26, 2021, you will be temporarily unable to open a shop in most markets where Etsy payment is not currently available. If you opened your shop before that date and you are in a country that isn't eligible for Etsy payments, you should be able to continue using your own PayPal account to accept payment. So guys, that's the thing. I didn't get any notification from Etsy saying that this was not so, because as I said, I have a shop on Etsy and I had opened it before this took effect, right? And so there are some countries that aren't eligible to set up this type of payment, and these these are the list of countries, guys, that are able to sell on the platform. and to set up the payments, right? And for example, you have Australia, Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, all of those places. And I live in Jamaica, and Jamaica is not among the countries listed here, right? Jamaica is unfortunately not among those countries, and I I I don't want to say generally, but so far I am not really seeing any Caribbean countries listed. I'm looking and I'm not really seeing any, right? I'm not really seeing any. So this this is a reason why persons are unable to open a shop on Etsy, especially it would appear that if you live in the Caribbean countries, you won't be able to set up a shop now, right? So those uh, those sellers that are on Etsy who sell Jamaican products, they would have been on the platform before April 26th when this new new this requirement took place, right? So as I said, I have a Etsy shop, right? This is my shop here, Cutie Pie's Place, right? So this is my shop on Etsy. So I didn't get any notification to say there were any changes as it relates to that. So again, I sincerely apologize to persons who may have tried to, set up shop on Etsy and are not able to do. But guys, nonetheless, you can try other platforms. You can do your research, and even you can maybe have your own website where you can set up your shop. You sell if you're interested in selling Jamaican stuff, you can set up your own website on different hosting platforms, right? Do your research. You have like maybe Wix. You can check out Wix. You have selling platforms like Big Cartel. I think Equid is another one. But you guys do your research. Don't give up. Nonetheless, that this has happened. Just keep trying. Just keep trying. There is a way. There must be a way, right? And if it's something that you're passionate about, just keep trying. Don't give up. Just keep trying. So again, guys, I really apologize. And as I said, at the time of making that video, I was not aware of these changes that were made on Etsy. So I sincerely apologize again. So just keep following, just keep following, just keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing the videos. And you can check the description for money saving tips. You can sign up for my money saving tips and budgeting templates. It's free and all of that. So we are here to empower each other to be the best, to live the life that we want, to have financial freedom. And as I said, I'm here to provide you with information. And I really want to say thanks to the persons who had commented on that video to let me know that there were persons who were actually trying to open a shop on Etsy and were having challenges, and I was made aware of these changes. So guys, just just I want to thank you again, and I really appreciate it. And I want you to comment on the videos. If there's something new, let me know, because I may not be abreast with all the changes, but let me know. You can also suggest topics or areas that you want me to cover on this channel. We just want to just collaborate, share information so that all of us can learn, all of us can grow, and we can be empowered in every way possible. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys. Take care.